second peculiarity is, with the IP address details that you have given, we have traced the location of those computers. Third interesting pattern, all the mails are coming either mornings 8:30 to 9 o'clock or in the evening 6 to 7 o'clock. And then I glanced into your mails. After doing this, I have reached a conclusion that this girl actually happens to be your fiancée.
Simran?
Yes.
What do you mean? I mean, how can you say that?
Have a seat, Raj. Watson, can you show our friend those findings that we have done?
Yes, certainly.
Have a seat. You are very slow, Watson. See, can you see these 3 dots and 2 question marks? And these are very common in all the mails that has come into your mailbox from that of this lady. And after that, I am sorry, Raj, I have checked your personal mails, I had to do that. I come across 2 mails in that both of you are fighting over some stupid issue. And she is a girl, so she has written some serious line that you disappoint me, mister.
Yeah, we have had some small fights in the near past. But how are you relating these things, sir?
Don't reach any conclusion. Watson, can you show our friend the 6th mail that has come? And are you able to relate this now? And this is not going to end here, Raj. I also followed this girl, your fiancée, for 3 days to find where she goes, what she does, and after 3 days, the consistent pattern that we have done, one of her friends, he works in a company called Sys Info Company.
हाँ? ये तो वही कंपनी है जहां से मुझे पहली मेल आई थी.
Exactly. This is the place where you received this first mail from. And the second peculiarity is the cyber cafe. This cyber cafe from where this mail has come is on the way to her office. And the third place where this mail has come is the parlor. And that parlor she visits regularly.
Oh my God. How can this happen? Why would she do something like this to me?
But be careful while taking it out.
ऐसा तेरा प्यार तेरा इमोशनल अत्याचार आँखों का है धोखा ऐसा तेरा प्यार तेरा इमोशनल अत्याचार.
हेलो सिमरन, कहाँ हो?
This is how a complicated case resolved using analytics. If you want to find any solution, go use analytics. Thank you for being a patient audience.
Thank you very much.
बहुत अच्छा था. Seriously. Congrats. बहुत अच्छा.
We'll now have the quiz. I'll request Professor Ajay Krishnan to conduct the same. He would brief us about the rules
Good
of the
afternoon
game.
to all of you, a lot of familiar faces. My name is Ajay Krishnan. I'm a visiting professor at NMIMS and the quiz master for your event today. So let's begin. Ground rules. We have a prelims first. We're going to begin with the prelims round. And this prelims round is going to be consisting of 7 questions. From the prelims round, I'm going to shortlist 7 finalists who are going to walk on stage and participate in the final on-stage round. So all those people out here who are interested in participating in the prelims round, please either you have your folders with you. Please, I would request you to take out a paper each. Okay. Please write down your name, the company, if you're belonging to the corporate, and your phone number. And for people who don't have a white sheet of paper, we have volunteers standing out there. You could collect your papers from the volunteers themselves. All right, is that okay with all of you? Okay, are we all set? All of you have your pens and papers ready with you? Shall we begin? Anybody not ready? Raise your hands, please. Quick, quick. We don't have time. So here goes. All right. So we begin the quiz for NMIMS Analytics Day version 1.1.0. Hopefully it will go for a lot many more versions. Question number 1, and instructions are these. Please write down your name. Please write down your phone number so that in case you get lost, we'll be able to trace you back. And write down the company to which you're currently associated with in case you're from the corporate background. And we have 7 questions in this round. The answers have to be specifically written. If you have bad handwriting, please use bold caps, right? Because handwriting can often be a big problem. All right. Question number 1. The answers are not here. What enterprise minor is to SaaS dash is to SPSS? Fill in the blanks. What enterprise minor is to SaaS dash is to SPSS? Fill in the blanks. Okay, here's the rider. People who are getting 7 on 7 are disqualified, okay? Okay, question number 2. Life of a Scientist. Life of a Scientist is a famous biography of a statistician written by his daughter. Which acclaimed statistician are we talking about? Life of a Scientist is a famous biography of a statistician written by his daughter. Which acclaimed statistician are we talking about? I hope all of you have written your names, your phone numbers on your papers. Question number 3. Which company is the latest acquisition from the world of analytics by IBM after SPSS? Which company is the latest acquisition from the world of analytics by IBM after SPSS? Seven checks. Got that? Question number 4. Name the father of the most important distribution in statistics, the normal distribution. Name the father. Don't ask me why distributions don't have mothers, but name the father of the most important distribution in statistics, the normal distribution. Who is the father? Okay? And okay, let's not try to be, just the title will not suffice. Okay, you have to give me the first name and the last name. There will be too many Johns, Harrys, Teds. We need the full name. Got that? Question number 5. Who co-authored the book Analytics at Work with Thomas Davenport? Who co-authored the book Analytics at Work with Thomas Davenport? Got that? Okay. Expand the following acronyms. Expand the following acronyms: CART, CART, and ROC, as in ROC curve. Okay. Expand the acronyms, the two parts of this question: CART, CART, and ROC. What's the full form basically? Prema, how's it going? All right, last question. Last question. This is a multiple choice question. I want you guys to please listen to the option and you got to write the correct option. No A, B, C or D. Write the correct option on your answer sheets. All right. Which category of companies can benefit the most from predictive analytics? All right. Amongst these four, which category of companies can benefit the most from predictive analytics? A. Option A. Bulb manufacturing. Option B, dairy products, as in dairy products, not diary, all right, dairy products. Thanks for that. Option C, casinos.